Okay, so today I picked up the new Google Pixel 8 Pro, and I'm looking forward to unboxing this shortly. Last year, you might remember, Google actually sent me the Pixel 7 Pro via Team Pixel. Not sure what happened this year. Maybe I missed the memo, or maybe they lost my email address, but today, nonetheless, I ran to Best Buy to pick up the new Pixel 8 Pro, and I'm really excited to unbox it here shortly, so let's jump right into it.
Okay, so here we have the Pixel 8 Pro in Obsidian. This is the 128GB base model, but you can also get this in either porcelain or bay color options with up to 1TB of storage. Google did increase the price this year, so this base model will run you $1,000. Removing the familiar pull tabs from each side of the box, we're immediately greeted by the matte black Pixel 8 Pro. Setting that aside really fast, inside the box you'll also get a USB-C to USB-C cable, a quick switch adapter, and a SIM tool. It is really nice to see the physical SIM still present here on the Pixel series. Thanks, Google. One thing I'm super excited for is this beautiful new flat display. I was never a fan of the curved displays on many Android devices, and Google moving the Pixel 8 Pro to this flat display was the right move. This looks stunning and feels so much better in the hand compared to the previous 7 Pro right out of the box. Inspecting the entirety of this device, it looks excellent. I'm pretty happy with my choice of this Obsidian model. It is a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. Of course, it is a Pixel, so we do have that camera visor, which I do wish was also matte, but overall the entire device looks great. I'm going to quickly boot up the Pixel 8 Pro and get it set up, but I won't bore you with all the prompts in this video, just covering a few high level, like the fingerprint scanner, which is the same as last year's 7 Pro. There's also the face unlock now here using that selfie camera on the 8 Pro. Setting that up was a breeze. It's super fast to set up. I'll have to test it as far as how secure it is, etc. But overall, setting it up was really quick right out of the box. Now that we're all set up though, we have that new Super Actua display, which is very bright for a Pixel. Just right out of the box, I could tell you this is probably the brightest display I have seen for sure on any Pixel device. Really happy to see that. It's pretty incredible to see in person. I'll have to take this into direct sunlight, but just looking at the display here, I again love this flat display, but I also really like how bright it gets on this Pixel 8 Pro. Overall though, that's my initial unboxing of Google's new Pixel 8 Pro. I look forward to testing this out over the next few days. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. As always, thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.